Welcome to our Excel tutorial series. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable and display the Developer tab in Excel. The Developer tab contains powerful tools and features that allow you to create and customize macros, add-ins, and other advanced functionalities. Let's get started. Click on the File tab located in the top left corner of the Excel window. In the File menu, click on Options located at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. This will open the Excel Options dialog box. More options. In the Excel Options dialog box, click on the Customize Ribbon option in the left-hand sidebar. In the Customize Ribbon section, you'll see a list of available tabs on the right-hand side. Look for the Developer tab option and ensure that checkbox next to it is checked. Once you've checked the Developer checkbox, click on the OK button. Now, you'll be able to see the Developer tab in the Excel ribbon at the top of the window next to the other tabs such as Home, Insert, and Page Layout. Click on the Developer tab to access a wide range of advanced tools and features, including Visual Basic, macros, add-ins, and more. Take some time to explore the various options available under the Developer tab and familiarize yourself with their functionalities. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.